people. It is a beautiful, beautiful day today. I'm trying to get back into getting up early in the morning so that I can get my sleep schedule back on track. But I am up, and I'm going to be showing you guys like my simple makeup routine that I'm gonna do. I'm sorry, my nose keeps poking out. I promise I don't have a booger. But I'm going to be showing you guys my simple makeup routine. I'm actually really excited about this morning because for work, we're having a consultation meeting with Erin on Demand, and I'm super excited about that. I'm so excited to meet her. I watch her everywhere. So I'm super excited. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm out the shower. It did not lift my lace at all whatsoever. If you're wondering, I use Gold Spawn to glue my lace on, okay? So for some reason, I cannot find my leave-in spray. Usually I would use the Curls leave-in spray. I use that on my actual natural hair as well. But I still have a couple products I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Carol's Daughter Wash and Go leave-in, a little bit of that. I'm gonna use some mousse. And then I'm going to finish off by doing some hairspray, okay? So, whenever I get in the shower, and, like, if I'm wetting my curly hair, I do always go in with, like, some conditioner, because I always have conditioner in my shower. I do go in with some conditioner, and then I'll rinse it out just to kind of, like, help detangle the hair and stuff like that. It's time to, I ain't sprayed nothing, huh? This is just some Aussie hairspray I like to use to give it some shine. If I don't use that, sometimes I'll take a little bit of BioSilk, which is like a serum. Very little, you guys. I don't like to put a lot of product on my weave. Alright, so now it's time to get to the makeup. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I did cleanse my face this morning. So I need to go and put some moisturizer in it. Y'all, my brows are terrible. So I'm going to go in with my dual moisturizer by Clean and Clear. And you can get this almost anywhere, y'all. It's only $5. The product goes a long way, and it really moisturizes my face. Like, moisturizing has changed my skin. Look, if I don't put moisturizer anywhere on my body, I'm gonna put it on my face, okay? I need to put this on my feet. With my feet. If you looking sometimes. I'm in due for a pedicure right now. I'm gonna do my brows first. It's my little compact mirror. Y'all, I got this from like Family Dollar. It was literally $1. If you don't have one, get you a compact mirror. It literally helps you to see like little details that sometimes you can't really see in a bigger mirror. The concealer I'm going to be using today is I'm going to be using my NYX Concealer HD in the color CW07, okay? I like to go and put it on my hand. The brush I'm going to be using is a Techniques concealer brush. Next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw a little bit of eyeshadow on my lids. Alright, y'all, so the lashes I'm going to be using today are my lashes from my lash line called K Royals. Those are the ones I'm going to be applying. I always apply some mascara before applying them. And I'm just going to be using some Kiss lash glue, okay? Alright, guys, so my lashes are on. The next step is doing my foundation, okay? So the first thing is I like to spray my finishing spray first before I start applying my color corrector to my face, okay? So I just use the Spritz Fit Matte Spray. And now I'm going to go in with my color corrector really quickly. I'm going to try and do this in less than 10 minutes. Right now I'm gonna go in my foundation. I'm gonna be using this black Radiance foundation, which is a drugstore brand. And I'm also gonna be using my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. This is not a drugstore brand. This is the real deal. So now I'm about to go in with my concealer. This time I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer to conceal under my eyes, on my forehead, bring it down my nose down, and then I go down here. Guys, one of the last few steps we're going to do is we're going to add our baking powder. So I like to tap it in the top, and I'm going to put it in those areas that I put that concealer. brow. I need a little bit more. This eye. Okay. Alright, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna contour just a tad bit today using my contour palette. I actually got this from CVS. It was like $8. Alright, so now it is time to blend all of this in. You know what I need to start trying? I need to start wearing bottom lashes, because I really don't have any. We are going to throw on some lip gloss. And we're gonna spray our finishing spray to matte our face. Where's my comb? So I can put some finishing touches on my little hair. My little hair. I'm trying to find my comb, y'all. Clip this, that. This is what my hair is looking like. And this is the final look. So this is a quick kind of everyday get ready look. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you give me a comment to say hey, tell me if you like this look, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.